If you haven't tried Sushi Bake before, you are going to love this recipe. First, we will need to cook 1 cup of rice. Then season it with rice vinegar, salt and sugar. In a separate bowl, combine the crab flakes and prawns with cream cheese, Kewpie mayonnaise and sriracha. Then tightly pack the rice into a baking dish, top with the seafood mixture and season with furikake. Bake in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 20 minutes. Once it's out of the oven, top with mayonnaise and sriracha. Serve with seaweed snacks, avocado and cucumber. This recipe is not only quick and easy to make, but it's the perfect budget-friendly sushi fix. Enjoy!